you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Now, I've got a food pantry haul for you, and it is the second one of 2025. And I was right. It is going to be a lean year. I'll show you what I mean, but don't panic. I'm going to show you how we compensate for that too, okay? Let me show you what I got, and I'm very grateful to have it, all right? Come on, let's take a look. Okay, we're going to start from the left to the right. I got a whole pack of water. I got 8 of them. 7, 8, yes. In fact, I got 2 of these, but I got the other one in the refrigerator getting cool already. That's really nice. I'm so glad we got these. If you know me, you know water is my go-to. Now, we've got some peanut butter and jelly. You can do so much with peanut butter and jelly. Besides sandwiches, you can also make those toasted sandwiches like donuts with the peanut butter and jelly, or you can take some dough and just stuff it with great filling. Like little Hot Pockets. Then we've got some oatmeal for breakfast. We've got some spaghetti sauce, some diced tomatoes, and this spaghetti sauce is no sodium. This stuff makes great pizza sauce, great lasagna, of course, great spaghetti, and meatballs with a little red wine with this. Oh yeah. We've got some no salt vegetables, no salt cut green beans. We've got some black eyed peas, some pink salmon, and look at this. Name brand tuna. Oh, I'm making me a little sandwich with this. I love tuna. Love it. We've got some rice. Did you know that you can make a tuna and rice dish? It's really good with vegetables. Oh, yeah. We can also make some Latin dishes, arroz con dulce. I can show you how to spice the rice and do it that way. We're going to do some more rice dishes because this will help stretch our budget, okay? Now, we got some hamburger helper back here, stroganoff, but I am not going to use their seasoning packet because this thing has like, let me get it in focus, 540 milligrams of sodium. And how many servings? 4.5, so there's over 2,000 milligrams of sodium. And no. I'll show you how to make your own stroganoff, okay? Now, we've got some corn muffin mix. Gonna make some wonderful things with that. Ooh, we can make jalapeno and cheddar corn muffin. Oh, they're so good. Yes. Then we've got some pollock. If you put this overnight in buttermilk and seasonings, it'll take away the fishy taste and make this come out tender and delicious. We can do a broiled fish. We could do fried fish. We could do, imitation McDonald's fish sandwiches. Yes. Got some yellow split peas. We're going to do soup with that. Oh, yeah. Oh, and we've got some organic spaghetti. And we've got some chicken legs, a whole pack. Look at this. That's 10 of them in here, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. This will be a great meal. Now, we could do this several ways. We could cook them down in our slow cooker, get the broth for soup, take the meat and put this in a rice dish, or make the whole thing a big soup with the rice, the meat, and the split peas. It just depends on what you want to do. But let's get a good pan of everything we got here. Now, it's not a lot, but it's a good start to some very good meals that we can stretch our budget with. Yes, nieces and nephews, it wasn't a lot of food, but it was a good start to some good recipes that can stretch the budget. Now, I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm also going to show you that we have other options. Going to more than one food pantry. Find out how many food pantries are in your area or that will service you, and just go to them, okay? Now, we're going to do that. Plus, you can write to me at Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com, and let me know if you need food if you're in my area, okay? I want you to like, I want you to comment, and I want you to subscribe. And I want you to remember, this is the time of year where it can get a little depressing, but you're with me. Don't you dare get depressed. Write to me if you do, okay? I'll try to bring some sunshine into the day, because remember, nieces and nephews, at the end of it all, we make our own sunshine, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Wait till you see what we're doing tomorrow. The rules of the food pantry and what you do with some of this food here. All right. Bye-bye.